Welcome back to the deep dive. Today we're tackling a question that I think everyone who shops online has asked at some point. When a retailer looks too good to be true,
Right.
is it?
It's the big one, isn't it?
It is. Specifically, we dove into all the sources we could find on an online retailer called Jetstream Collections.
Right.
Our mission today is pretty simple. Are they a legit company selling high-quality, stylish luggage? Or is this just another one of those sophisticated online storefronts designed to, catch you out?
And you can see why people get drawn in.
Oh, absolutely. The initial appeal is huge. The website is so clean, it's minimal, really professionally built with these beautiful, sharp photos. It just screams modern travel brand.
It does. And that's the trap. Today, professional visuals are, well, they're easy to create. So the real mission for this deep dive is to look past that shiny exterior.
Okay.
We need to focus on the operational red flags, the things the sources point to figure out if this is a real company with real products or just a very pretty illusion.
Okay, so let's unpack this. I started with the basics, just trying to figure out who actually runs this company. And, well, we immediately hit our first major concern.
The transparency vacuum.
Exactly. A
Yeah.
total lack of any foundational company information.
And what's so fascinating here is the choice they've made. They clearly invested heavily in the look, the feel, the website aesthetic,
For sure.
but they skipped the basics. You see, reputable brands, they want to tell you their history, what materials they use, their manufacturing standards. Jetstream Collections has none of that.
Not a thing.
We found no clear about page,
No.
no listed physical address, and absolutely no verified social media where you can see, real customers interacting with them.
Right.
They've sold a beautiful idea of a brand, but there are no roots.
Right. So if we can't find them, the next logical step is to see what other people are saying about them. I mean, if they're really selling luggage this good at these prices,
The internet should be buzzing.
it should be.
It should be a constant hum, but what we found was just silence. And that, I think, is the most damning absence of proof there is.
No third-party reviews.
None. No major review platforms, no real customer photos on Instagram, no long-term durability reports on travel blogs, nothing.
Wow.
If you're selling popular travel gear, people are leaving reviews everywhere, good or bad. The fact that the only reviews exist on their own website is a huge, huge warning sign. It suggests the products just aren't getting into the hands of a real user base.
And this brings up a great point about the photos themselves, that they are gorgeous, but if the company roots are missing and the external validation is missing, what does that tell us?
This is where we connect the dots.
Right.
It points toward a potential drop shipping model.
Ah.
The sources noted that those really sleek product images look very similar to the kind of high-quality stock photos used by overseas suppliers.
So Jetstream Collections, the retailer, might never have even touched the product.
Exactly. They likely don't hold any inventory. They just use the supplier's appealing photos and have it shipped directly from a warehouse somewhere else when you place an order.
So the visual quality you see on the screen is not a guarantee of the physical quality that shows up at your door.
Not at all. The product you get might look way cheaper or feel less durable than that highly polished image suggests. The person running the website is a marketer, not a quality control specialist.
So let's bring this all together. What does this mean for you, the listener, who just wants a stylish, affordable suitcase?
Well,
The overwhelming lack of transparency, the minimal online presence, and the complete absence of independent reviews. It all makes Jetstream Collections seem highly questionable.
the risk here is just significantly higher than buying from an established brand. So if you do decide to roll the dice, our practical takeaway is critical.
Yeah.
Always, always use a payment method with strong buyer protection.
A credit card or service like PayPal.
Yes. Be prepared for a potential hassle and just proceed with a lot of caution.
So we've established that these really professional visuals can easily hide a complete lack of substance, basically creating a kind of hollow brand. And this leaves us with an interesting thought for you to consider. When you're looking for any premium product, online luggage, clothes, whatever, how much should that lack of background info, rather than the beauty of the pictures, weigh on your final decision? Does a great photo excuse a total lack of history? Something to think about next time a slick website catches your eye.